Don't choke. You don't want to catch you on tape choking. Alright, you ready, Sophie? Are you going to eat it? Oh, you're going to eat it. I wanted it. You want more? More what? More of your juice? Here's your juice, but don't spill it. Okay? Maybe I should stop till you're done eating. I said don't spill it. Drink it. Okay? Yes, don't spill it. Okay, you're done. Yeah. Are you done eating so we can play again? Boom. Boom. Can you point to me? You are the cute one. You are the cute one. What's that face mean? Ooh. You're done? No more food left? Okay, we can be done.